studying well or scoring good marks. Very good. And what is your plan for today? Okay. Imagine, okay, you have planned to read or to learn 20 vocabulary. How will you achieve your goal? Or what do you do to achieve your goal? Okay, step 1, the very important thing, you have to fix a time. Is it clear? Okay, you have to fix a time from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. And the second step, you have to choose and write those 20 words with syllable in your notebook. And step 3, you have to read all the words aloud. And then step 4, you have to learn the meaning of the word. In order to get familiar to those words, you have to frame a sentence by using all the words. And then, in order to check whether you are familiar with that, you can write dictation. Finally, you achieve your goal on following all these steps, isn't it? Okay. Today we are going to learn first prose is given in a textbook. What is that? Very good. Goal setting. Who is the author? Krish Srikanth. Yes, very good. Goal setting is written by Krish Srikanth. Okay, before seeing about the author, we learn the meaning that is given in this introduction of author. Former. What does it mean? Yes, before the present. It means not at the present. He was not a captain at present. Okay, is it clear? Chairman. A person in charge of meeting or organization. The who is in charge of organization or the one who is conducting the meeting. Okay, and then broadcaster. Present discussion or information on radio or television. Okay, the one who presents the information or discussion on radio or television. And then commentator, who comments on event. Okay, who comments on the particular event. And then humor, quality of being comic or amusing. The one who is capable of making others to have a fun. Is it clear? Once again we will read all this. Former, before the present. Chairman, a person in charge of meeting or organization. Broadcaster, present discussion or information on radio or television. Commentator, who comments on events. Humor, quality of being comic or amusing. Is it clear, children? Is it clear? We see about the author Krish Srikanth. Krish Srikanth, former Indian cricket team captain, is a member of the 1983 World Cup winning team. He was a former chairman and senior selection committee of the 2011 World Cup winning Indian team. He works as a broadcaster and expert commentator with various sports and news channels and is well known for his honest, straightforward comments, often laced with humor. Okay, we will read together. Krish Srikanth, former Indian cricket team captain, is a member of the 1983 World Cup winning team. He was a former chairman and senior selection committee of the 2011 World Cup winning Indian team. He works as a broadcaster and expert commentator with various sports and news channels and is well known for his honest, straightforward comments, often laced with humor. Is it clear, children? Okay, now we will see what they have given in this. They are telling that he was a former Indian cricket team captain. Okay, we saw the meaning, isn't it? What does it mean? Former. Okay, not at the present. Before the present. Is it clear? Okay, they are telling here. So Krish Srikanth, he was a captain of the Indian cricket team, and as well as here, he is a member of the 1983 World Cup winning team. chairman and senior selection committee of the 2000 World Cup winning Indian team. What they said? He was the former chairman and senior selection committee of the 2011 World Cup winning Indian team. They said that he was a chairman as well as senior selection committee of the year 2011. What does it mean, chairman? The one is in charge of organization, as well as selection committee, senior selection committee, the one who is selecting a person for a particular match. And then he works as a broadcaster and expert commentator. He was not only a captain as well as chairman, he was also a, he works present, okay. He also works as a broadcaster and commentator. What does it mean, commentator? Yes, one who comments on the event, okay. And broadcaster, one would have a discussion or information on television. Is it clear? And he is well known for his honest, straightforward comments, and he has a sense of humor. The main character is very important, isn't it? He is well known for his honest as well as straightforward comment, and he also has a sense of humor. Okay, quickly we will go through. Here they say Krish Stigand. He was a former Indian cricket team, and he is a member of the 1983 World Cup winning team, and he was the chairman of the Indian cricket team, as well as he was the senior selection committee of the team, World Cup winning Indian team of the year 2011. And he also works as a broadcaster and commentator, and with the various sports and news channels. And he is well known for his honest, straightforward comments, and often laced with humor. He also has a humor sense. And then what he has written goal setting, isn't it? Okay, what he has written in it? Okay, he has written about the 5 steps in goal setting, as well as he shared the winning story of him and Sachin Tendulkar. Is it clear, children? Is it clear? Now let me see video on Krish Stigand before going into the pros.
Today, my dear friends, I am an electrical engineer. But what I am today is not because of engineering. It's all thanks to God's grace and because God made me play cricket. Whatever I am today is because the great game of cricket. And cricket has taught me a number of lessons, whatever it is. I mean, in life, everything is all about, you learn a lot through cricket, let me put it that way. Whether you want to set a goal, whether you want to have leadership skills, stress management skills, communication skills, innovation skills, and so on. Well, cricket has taught me everything, because when you play cricket right from the lowest level and go to captain your country, and when you're also part of the World Cup winning 1983 team, and also as a captain, and then later on as a chairman of the World Cup winning 2011 team, you gain a lot of rich experience across the way. Because cricket teaches you how to take success, failure, criticism. People come on, you know how it is in cricketers, right? People criticize you when you don't score runs, when you lose matches. People praise you when you start scoring and winning matches. You saw what happened in India very recently. When we were doing so badly against Pakistan and we lost the England series, all of us criticized the Indian cricket team. And just 2 matches later, when we beat Australia in the last 2 test matches, and that too when we beat them convincingly in Hyderabad, all of us said, hey man, what a great player, what a great team, great captain, great everything. So life teaches you so many things through cricket. Belief in yourself. Self-belief. आपका होना चाहिए मैं करूँगा करतूंगा मेरा हिंदी इतना अच्छा नहीं है. I will do it. We can make it. We will do it. That feeling should come into you first. Whatever you want to achieve. End of the day, most of us keep running after name, fame, money. But beyond all that is something called achievement. We need to be achievers. How do you achieve your goals? How do you achieve success? First is self-belief. My dear friends, if you all believe in yourself, you can also be world champions. You need to be a very positive person. I'm telling you why. I tell you what, I mean, most of you, some of you are probably science students.
Yeah, they are.
Always create a positive energy around you. I mean, science teaches you what? Energy can neither be destroyed nor created. It can be only converted or transferred. That's what the basic philosophy of science is. When the sunlight, when the sun shines, they say today it's solar energy. This table, it's got potential energy. When I move, they call it kinetic energy. When I speak, it is sound energy. When the water falls, it is, what is it? Tidal energy. When the wind blows, it's wind energy. Same thing, everything is energy. All of us are bundles of energy. The more you create positive energy around yourself, the more positive things will happen. The more negative energy you create around yourself, the most negative things will happen. Positive energy, be positive in your approach. Don't be scared of anything. Just face all your problems without getting scared. What do you want in life? Today, we are all living, let us be very honest. Now, you will have to understand one thing. Every time you cannot be successful, don't forget, failure is the stepping stone to success. That means there must be something wrong happening somewhere. Even though the positive attitude, sometimes without our knowledge we make mistakes. I'm a very positive person. I'm a very positive cricketer. I also try to run a positive business. But I also make mistakes. But there's nothing wrong in it. But just because you're having failure, it doesn't mean you have to become negative. Find out, analyze why the failure is happening. Think calmly, sit back calmly a little bit. Best way to come out of these kind of stressful, difficult situations is, sometimes when we are stressed, when we are in a difficult situation, when we start failing, we start breaking our head. That is the time you step back, calmly look, wait. Don't force a solution. Most of the time we try to force a solution. This kind of stressful situations, difficult situations, best to step back and think calmly, look, watch what's happening in front of you. If I'm talking from my heart, whatever I do it from it. That's why whatever you do it with passion. Do it from your heart. Why? You can be successful. If you want to be wholesomely, fully successful, you have to be successful both in terms of values, both in terms of achievements. Otherwise, you're not a full successful man. Being successful is being nice to people, being honest to people, being straightforward to people, being honest to yourself, at the same time achieving something in whatever field you are, and making a little bit of name for yourself, little bit of money for yourself. Because there's no end to quantum of making money. There are millions and billions of fellows. You cannot compare. But if you want to be a wholesome person, you need everything. If today I am talking in front of you confidently, is because I am very confident. Hamara dil se, I am a straightforward person. Whatever you do it from your heart. Be passionate. So the honesty, the value will automatically come when you do it from your heart. Because you will not have the heart to cheat anybody, correct? You need to have self-belief. You need a very positive approach. You need to be passionate in your approach. You will have to be very, very communicative, good communication skills. You will have to be very innovative. Today we are living in competition. Then you need to know how to manage stress. You are under stress. I am under stress. Everybody under stress. My children are under stress. Even a school boy is under stress. School girl is under stress. But we should know how to manage all this. How to manage emotions. And then move on. Learn from mistakes. How do we take decisions? Decision making is very important. Be prepared to face failures.
Yeah.
Most of us, our ego, our scared, feared feeling, everything is because of our ego. Because we don't want to be known as failures. Don't worry, what is the world going to come to an end if I fail something? Nothing wrong. You will fail once, you will fail twice, but the third attempt you might make it big. Don't ever give up. That is self-belief. That is passion. That is positive approach. With these words, I'd like all of you to be passionate, positive, believe in yourself. Always keep smiling and laughing, okay? Don't keep a brrr face and all. Keep smiling. I don't make a fool of myself if all of you are laughing there. It doesn't matter. The atmosphere has to be fantastic, vibrant atmosphere. That vibrancy has to be brought in. That is what life is all about. This vibrancy. Okay? Good luck.
Classwork writing. Children, in order to make your work easier, you are going to write your classwork on daily basis. English classwork, it is a short size ruled notebook of 80 pages. Now I am going to tell you instructions to write classwork writing. Listen carefully. Draw line on the margin, leave the second line and draw a line on the third line. Write the heading in the second line. Write the date in the left corner. Always use black pen to write the heading and the content in blue ink pen. Copy down the content that send you in PDF file format in your classwork without fail. Thank you, children.